So you want to know why you're fat? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to tell you in this video. What's up? I'm Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. You're gay as usual. Well, you're gay and fat. As usual, I'm going to produce this video without any cuts, edits, a script, images, colors, music, pictures, graphics, naked guys, naked girls, because I'm not a fag like all the other YouTubers who are controlled by a certain group of people. Okay, now that that is out of the way, why are you fat? Well, contrary to perhaps popular belief, it's not because of your insulin, and it's not because of your thyroid issue, and it's not because of your gut health, and it's not because of some other bullshit issue that you use as a crutch. Okay, listen here, fatty. It's because you eat too much. And obviously, when I call you fatty, I'm just playing around, not trying to be mean. Alright? Fucking relax. Just playing around. It's because you eat too much. It's because you eat too much and you move too little. That is the reason 99% of people that are fat are fat. It's not fucking because of thyroid or gut health or fucking insulin. It's because you are lazy and you eat too much. That's why. I don't know if you need somebody to tell you how it is, but I'm that guy, right? I'm that guy. I'll tell you how it is. It's because you're lazy and you eat too much. So what can you do about that? How do you fix that? Well, you can eat less and move more. It's the same shit you've heard over and over, man. But you keep scouring the internet in the deepest, darkest corners looking for this super 1 in a million rare disease that you have where you can't lose weight. So you can tell people, if they say anything about your weight, you can say, well, I have a disease. It's not my fault. I have a disease. Then you use that motherfucker as your crutch through life. That's what's happening. I guarantee it. I'm not even a doctor, and I guarantee it. Have you seen some of these doctors? How the fuck are they doctors? Have you seen what they look like? Have you seen what they look like? You really think you should be going to that guy for your general health? If you break a bone, sure, go see somebody. But you think you should be going to him? I say him because females can't be doctors. Him because of for your general health? I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, a lot of these doctors are overweight, probably more overweight than you, but they put on their little white coat and everybody just accepts their word. That's probably why you got the vaccine, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Because some people with white coats got on TV and said, hey, this is very deadly. This is very deadly. We're going to end up killing everybody. You know, you should probably take this. So, everything is not what it seems. But that's why you're fat. It's because you don't move enough and you eat too much. And the solution that you've heard time and time again, move more, eat less. That's the truth. That's what you have to do. Unless you want to live the rest of your life as an obese, lazy fuck. You have to make a change. This is ruining your life. This is ruining everything in your life. Your relationships, your confidence, your health. Your fucking health, man. You're killing yourself by being this way. You're going to miss out on experiences, memories, time. Being obese shortens your lifespan. It's sad, actually. It's sad. When you see these people that are extremely overweight, you know that they are trading like years of their life to be that way. And they hate being that way. That's what's so evil about it. They hate being that way, but it's more comfortable to be that way than to actually change. It's crazy. It's crazy. You gotta make a change, man. You gotta do it. And it's not hard if you do it the right way, but you have to start now. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. The harder it gets. You don't have to diet, you don't have to go to the gym all the time, you don't have to do any of that bullshit, but you have to start. You have to start. There are easy ways to do this. There are easy ways. You don't have to do it the hard way like everybody does. There are easy ways. But my camera's about to overheat, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously, I'm just playing around with you guys. I'm not being mean or nothing. It's how I talk. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the subscribe button, like button, comment button, share button. All of it. If you didn't like, fuck you. Get lost, go pound sand, climb a tree, hike a mountain, hike a hill, something. Don't want you here. Yeah, along with, I post a video every other day at 12 p.m. Central Time, noon, lunchtime, probably your favorite time. Kidding. Lunchtime, Central Time. So 12 p.m. Central Time. I post 4 short form videos every day, every fucking day, across every single platform. Look me up, Super Sawbone, Super Sawyer, whatever. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Gotta make a change, man. Gotta be today. Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. Peace.